Hello, friends. Welcome to the Daily Food for Mind. I'm Dr. Rashmi Sharma, and this is Dr. Saleha, and we are going to discuss about our digital well-being, which is very important topic nowadays, and especially digital noise. So, ma'am, start something.
Ma'am, being an educator, both of us from the field of education, and we are dealing with the youth today, and also at home we see that our students are facing various issues like anxiety, and distraction is a major problem in classes as well. When we teach, also at that time, also school, colleges, university, they are using their mobile, and then FOMO, that's fear of missing out
Exactly,
from the
exactly.
informations and other things. Every time they are back to this, so this is creating a lot of problem related to their attention span, then retention of the memory, and then there is sleep distraction as well. I think because of this overuse and exposure to this blue light, they are having a lot of
Health
problem,
issues, right?
and they are not sleeping well. Because of that, they are totally distracted in the morning when they come to classes, and they are sleepy, and they feel like that in today's time we don't need anybody to take that education from anywhere. We have platform with us, and we can find everything on this chat gpts and ai
Okay.
platforms.
Now,
So
what I can draw a conclusion
yeah.
from you is that it is unavoidable situation. We have to go to the social media because everything has shifted now to the online platform, like our transaction, our selling, our purchasing, our everyday transaction. So we have to be there. We can't avoid this platform. Now the purpose is that how can we use it wisely, productively? That is the main issue. Because we cannot every time talk about digital talks. Our most important information are
It's almost
there.
impossible to cut ourselves off
Yes.
from these digital platforms, not using mobiles, laptops, computer. That is not possible. But just as we are taking care of our health in other ways, even we need to be very socially selective while using these platforms as well. While using this social media platform, how much time to spend on what? And many a times it is happening that just because of spending more of the time on these Insta laptop, you can do it with other purpose also. Like if you can run, if you're running a business, you can go productive. That makes a difference. But when
Actually, instead of
unnecessarily you're
yes,
scrolling the
yes,
reels out, and then you're breaking the
I have
rules of your
something to
health.
say. Actually, suppose somebody wants some entertainment, but there is endless entertainment. How long you will take this? So this is the case with everything. If you scroll anything, you can keep on scrolling till the midnight, and things will not get over. So we have to choose what we have to see. So I have some suggestions. I hope you would
And
appreciate
then
like
one more
this.
thing, like virtual relations, like okay, so real life relation, interpersonal skills. What is happening that most of the time we are communicating through emojis, and then there's short messages. So many of the times we see when we have to write something, they are writing in the same language as they are texting it out. You, it's just you.
Yes,
It's not by you.
language
So they
problem.
are losing their command, and when they are exposed to this real life, this practical life, wherein they have to take care of their careers, they have to grow in their careers. They need a set of skills which is missing. It is not that they are better than us in all ways, in all aspect. In terms of looks, in terms of intelligence, in terms of using these platforms, they are better people with us, but better than us. But still, because of this, so now we have to sort out something. So our discussion is now slowly
Yes,
moving from
exactly,
the problem
exactly.
to the solution oriented one.
Obviously we are sitting here for solutions because we all are agreeing that this is a problem. So the solution of the problem is that
And it is not
we should
that
train our mind.
you are less educated and we are more. No, it is not that. But we are more experienced. So now we are bringing here our experiences, which we have already faced, which right now we need some kind of discipline also in relation to social media.
So Dr. Saleh was just saying that कि ये जो सोशल मीडिया हमारे सामने जो चीजें प्रेजेंट करता है इट्स लाइक अ ग्रैंड बुफे और वी गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड टू दिस और हम कई बार वो चीजें ले लेते हैं जो हमें शायद नहीं लेनी थी. वी कांट अवॉइड दिस. इट इज सो टेम्पटिंग एंड सो फ्लैशी. तो हम भी ऐसे ही करते हैं. सोशल मीडिया में जाते हैं बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें दिखते हैं कि हम डाइवर्ट हो जाते हैं, डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं उसमें. And after 1 or 2 hours, we realize that we came here for some other purpose and now we are involved in something. It happens with everyone, not with 1 or 2 people. So इसको कैसे combat करें उसके लिए हमें कुछ सोचना है कि we should be very mindful.
Yes, we have to be mindful.
Isn't it?
So being mindful is the only way we can be
Yes.
like.
And how we can practice
mindfulness and thoughtfulness, that gives birth to like a digital detox. हमें digital detox की जरूरत है. हमें एक restriction चाहिए. We don't have to replace. Okay, but we have to remove at certain time. We are not replacing it. We are not removing it. We are just trying to take something else. So we don't have to remove it completely.
Exactly. We
But
have
you
to
have to
focus on the
replace it
right
with
place.
something
We have to
else.
focus at the right place. बहुत सारी चीजें हमें तो चाहिए अगर हम सीधे वहीं पर जाएं, उसको ले लें और वापस आ जाएं. We should not be caught into trap.
Yes.
We have to do smart buy, smart use of the phone. And being mindfulness, one thing more
And
comes in my mind.
there is one technique that is known as Pomodoro technique. That is 25 minutes you need to focus on something, and then 5 minutes you can skip that work and you can come back to it, retain your attention towards it. So we have to keep it in mind. If we are continuously in front of the mobiles, we can have this Pomodoro technique wherein we try
Every
to
10
take
minutes
a
or 5
shift.
minutes, we need to check our
And
phone.
once we are shifted, no, we get a time to think actually we are on the right thing or not. Are we giving this time unnecessarily? If I'm playing game more than 25 to 30, that means I'll continue it for 1 hour. But if I'll take a 5 minute span, and then we have to replace something like we said, na, detox, digital detox. Like instead of taking my mobile, I could write something, I could do a reading. I could go for some
Exactly.
meditation.
We have to
I
create
could go
space for something
some
else.
journaling.
Yes.
That will also improve my health as well, no?
You are absolutely right, ma'am. But students do not have time to think about this. That I do drawing, I do painting, or I do any reading or any other work, because the first thing that comes in your mind that go to ChatGPT, go to phone, go to Google and find the solution. So we are totally misusing this thing, not for our creativity.
Because
and
we
our
have
minds
hooked
have
up.
space. Our mind,
Because we are hooked up towards
we are
all these
hooked up
things.
towards, and we are totally
And then ma'am,
obsessed and addicted.
before sleeping, if you can do that, or everyone can do that, just go through your entire day routine and just see how much you have produced for others. Like if I'm an employee or I'm a housewife, whatever it is, how much I have worked for others and what I have done for myself. Have I done something creative? Have I gained some knowledge? What percentage was mine today? What productivity I have done? So that will give you actually a data. You believe on data and statistics, no? So that will give you a statistic as to how much percentage you are investing in yours, because time is investment. And if you are investing your entire time on other, scrolling the reels,
Yes.
that means you are giving them more views. And then what about your visibility? There is no visibility.
What we can do, we can build our own brand instead of seeing others. We can do some productive or for our own. चलो हम अपनी branding कर सकते हैं, उसे sell कर सकते हैं, हम कुछ create कर सकते हैं. And for that we have to be focused. सुबह उठते ही सबसे
And for
पहले
that, we don't only have to be focused, we have to learn. To produce, that the first step is to acquire something. You have to acquire, you have to retain, you have to relate, and then you can produce. Otherwise, you cannot do a production of knowledge or anything. Skills, you have to give certain
Exactly.
time.
First of all, you have
If I
to gain
want
that.
Sorry. If I want to be a chef, I have to learn cooking with minute details of it. Then only I could be a good chef. So we have to give time. Where this entire time is going on? Smartphones.
Right. So instead of avoiding this, we can use it productively, and we should work on our skill. That is the basic thing we can see कि हमें अपनी skill पे पहले काम करना होगा. जब भी हम कुछ थोड़ा बहुत भी gain कर लेते हैं, तो we are ready to give it to the societies. फिर हम अपना channel कर सकते हैं, branding करते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. And that will build our brand, make us productive, and at least we will move in a direction. Right now we are directionless, isn't it? We are just seeing others. When will we see ourselves?
In order to move in a particular direction, you need to plan. You need to have a vision of that. Because if I cannot visualize, if I cannot imagine, I was studying one of the studies of psychology. It says that we don't sleep like that. When we lay down in bed, what we do is we pretend that we are sleeping. So for everything we pretend. If I want to become a doctor tomorrow, I have to pretend that I am a doctor. You feel that, na? I'm IS officer, PCS officer, I am a professor. So you have to dream of it. You have to imagine yourself there. And then once you imagine, then you will walk in that path. You will plan out for it, because just by imagining, you cannot get anything. You have to make a roadmap of it. You have to prepare your plans. You have to reschedule and schedule your day with that. You need to know what amount of skills, what amount of time you need to invest in what, so that it can produce something in future. If we want that these kind of videos need to go out, then we have to plan it from a busy schedule. We take out time.
Actually, we see
plan
their
the
flashy
topic.
video, ma'am.
Yes.
And we don't know how much time it takes to make that. Once we realize that, then we know that value of that thing. that they've come here for 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 1 minute. There is a hours of work before that. Once they realize it, they will work on their skill. That one day I will also come and make reel like this, and I should spend time on myself. I'll be training myself for that. I need some skill. So social media also inspires us, also takes our time. So it's wisely used only that can help us. Isn't it? Social media we have to be there because everyone is there. If we want to sell anything, we have to go there. If we want to showcase our talent, we have to go there. But before that, are we prepared? That's a big question. We are going there, we are going into the war without any preparation. It's like that. It will totally waste your time, destroy your energy, and you will be in a false hope. Because you will compare yourselves and you will see that, oh, I don't know anything. That person knows better than me. तो एक जो comparison से करते करते you will go in a negative mode. कि वो हमसे अच्छे हैं, वो हमसे ज़्यादा. You will end up comparing yourself.
Yes, and you will have a lot of inferiorities. You will have a lot of complex. What ma'am is saying is absolutely correct. Okay, we are also portraying the same thing. We are doing this. We want you to see this video, like and share this our video. But then we need to be a responsible citizen as well as to what we are trying to give through social media to you. If you look into this video, then you must gain something. Right, and this is all a part of a planning what we are doing. When you are educated, you want to be stable tomorrow, financially stable. You want to, and once you see your imagination into reality, you feel good. Like last time, ma'am invited me for a podcast. After that, we got a lot of motivation to go ahead with one more discussion.
Exactly.
So that is because we have seen the result of what we did last time. So now this time it is better. So you need to be thoughtful of what you are doing. You need to recall the entire thing you have done in the past or throughout the day. In the evening, you need to think upon it, how stable you are today. If you have spent 4 hours in your studies, and if you have done exercise today, you had healthy food today, so you will feel that yes, there was a bit of gain. So all of a sudden, you don't have to shun everything out. But like we also use digital platforms and media and phones and laptops. But then we need to be a bit more disciplined and restrict ourselves to what extent
And
we have
one more
to
thing, ma'am,
use.
we always think that every good thing is on the social media. We forget about the beautiful plants, fresh air, isn't it? Our friends, our parents, when we will talk to them, when we will spend time with them. You're every time we're on social media.
Yes.
तो जो real life और real life से जो connection जो कट जा रहा हमारा real life से reel के through, that is dangerous. क्योंकि हम बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें जो हमें फ्री में मिल रही हैं, उनको टोटली अंडररेट कर रहे हैं और हमारे पास अगर इंटरनेट नहीं, अच्छा मोबाइल नहीं, तो वी थिंक वी हैव नथिंग, इजंट इट? उसके बिना भी जिंदगी बहुत खूबसूरत हो सकती है. हाँ, आपको प्रोडक्टिविटी के लिए आपको चाहिए, लेकिन दैट इज नॉट द मस्ट हैव टूल. योर मस्ट हैव टूल इज योर ओन माइंड, योर ओन पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, योर ओन सेल्फ, इजंट इट? इफ यू कैन ट्रेन दैट, everything is possible.
मोबाइल इज जस्ट अ टूल. विजिबिलिटी के लिए आप कभी भी टेम्परेरी चीजों पे रेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. आप रियल लाइफ में, वर्चुअल लाइफ में अपने स्टेटस
अभी देखिए वर्ड चल रहा है. देखिए अभी ईरान का एग्जांपल लीजिए, वहां पर वर्चुअल शटडाउन चल रहा है मोर देन 45 days.
Yes, but everybody is
people are surviving. How they are surviving? It means survival is possible, isn't it?
And they are happy also.
They are happy. I think they are in a better position than us because we have never thought of living without a phone. Just keep your phone for 1 hour. That is because
you are close to your own self, your own soul. That is not because, so you have to be real for things, and this more virtual exposure, no, and this life is giving you a real life which is not real life, and that is really making you apart from your own soul. You don't know yourself. Others know you better. They know how to hurt you. They know when to catch you. They know how to scam you. Everything, because ऐसा नहीं है. उन्हें कैसे पता चला? आप इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हो, पर आपने अपने खुद पे
काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप अपना काम ठीक से नहीं कर रहे हैं, isn't it? We are giving everything in the other's hand. अपने पास अपनी चीजें अपनी उतनी शेयर करनी चाहिए जितनी जरूरी हो.
So this discipline and limitation is very good, and you need to take note, mindfulness and thoughtfulness, taking note of everything you are doing, और उसके साथ साथ you have to take your own responsibilities also.
See, as an adult we can manage ourselves, but see, what about kids? There is no one to see them. Isn't it? What they are watching on the phone, what they are playing on the phone, it is all affecting their mental health, physical health. Their attention span is shrinking to only 5 to 6 seconds.
And the roles of parents and the roles of educators, teachers, friends,
everyone
seniors,
has to come together.
Mentors, all of us need to come together to help them out, to make them realize. कभी-कभी होता है, हम हमारी एज में भी हमें कभी कोई चीज रियलाइज कराता है कि ऐसा करते करते हम ऐसे होते जा रहे हैं, राइट? सो अगर किसी ने एक बार रियलाइज करा दिया तो नाउ इट्स माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेक केयर,
और सबसे
टू मेक
इम्पोर्टेंट
सम
चीज व्हाट आई
चेंज।
कैन सी दैट सबसे ज्यादा इस समय यूथ को जरूरत है अपने करियर के लिए फोकस होने के लिए, और सबसे ज्यादा यूथ ही सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे डिफोकस है, टोटली डिमोटिवेटेड है। तो उनके लिए तो एकदम एक तरह से एक इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन है कि ये उनका पीक टाइम है टू डू प्रोडक्टिव थिंग्स, टू बिल्ड देयर करियर, टू थिंक अबाउट देयर ड्रीम्स, एंड व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर जस्ट स्क्रोलिंग एंड स्क्रोलिंग. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी सीरियस. We can see, ma'am can
See,
see.
what is the problem that we look for best friends, like, but we could be the best friends of our own self. Like, I don't need anybody if I am alone because I have so many things to do. I
Exactly.
find my peace in other things, in creating something and doing something and planning something. And when I see the result, I could say that I'm more stable than what I was earlier. Today I'm much more mature
But our
than I
youth
would.
cannot survive alone.
Yes,
They cannot
and we
survive.
are
They
much
need
more
someone.
experienced.
Yes.
हमें किसी
And
को
they're
देख
more
के उसकी
dependent on
vibes.
online friends.
Yes.
Isn't virtual friends? They're more dependent.
You need to spend time with your family members, your parents. Even parents need to take out some quality time for their kids so that they can be together, they can understand each other. आपके बच्चों को क्यों जरूरत है बाहर किसी की? क्योंकि आप अवेलेबल नहीं है. So we need to make this point. We need to make it sure that yes, we need to spend. बहुत टाइम मत बिताइए, but quality time you can
आपने
always
देखा हो एक
spend.
फैमिली के सभी लोग
Involve
बैठे
करें.
होते हैं और सब अपने अपने फोन पे लगे हुए हैं.
Involve them in decision making. Involve them in small works you do.
Exactly.
Engage them. Make them learn something. Carry them with in banks when you go for some procedure. Take them to the market when you have
Exactly.
to buy
उनको कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा
something.
रियल लाइफ
You
से.
have
This is
to
the only
connect.
way to connect them with their
And they
real
will
life.
realize the challenge also, ma'am. With
We
this, they will
we
realize
have
the
to prepare
challenge.
them for the future challenges, isn't it?
We have to give them small roles to play and appreciate them. Even if they have done a mistake, make them learn what you have done and then appreciate them. Tell them that how can they be better. Because हमारी youth हमारा power है, and especially in a country like India, we have a big mass which is youth, and you are the future of the country, you are the future of your family, and then you need to secure your future. You need to realize, you need to participate in everything so that you can learn and grow.
So in the conclusion, we can say that social media is a good tool, but be your own master. Don't make it a master to control your own life. And go mindfully there. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, enough. 4, 5 hours are also enough if you are doing some productive work over there. If you are using that as a tool to grow your skills and anything. But thinking that without phone I cannot survive, this is not good.
Yes.
You can survive, you will survive. And we all will survive by mindfully using the social media platforms or any other digital tools we are using in our day-to-day life.
Yes, and these are the
And we should
goals.
also be cautiously doing things, isn't it?
अब आपको तो बचपने से मिल रहा है, सो यू डोंट रियलाइज इट, पर हमको बहुत लेट मिला सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स, मोबाइल्स. तो हमें लगता है कि क्या क्या कर सकते थे हम स्टडीज में, क्रिएटिविटी में, आइडियाज.
मुझे लगता है हम we were in a better position. हमें बहुत अच्छा बचपन मिला. No, they are not in a best position. अच्छी चीजें देना is not important. उसको यूज करना है. That is important.
You can make it
isn't
best. What we are trying to say that you could be a very
Yes.
good leader of your life, not the boss. Don't make these mobile phone your boss. Be a leader, and then
तब तक आप राइटली चूज करने का नहीं
और इन
सीखेंगे.
प्लेटफॉर्म्स को अच्छी तरह यूज किए, क्योंकि ऐसी भी कंट्रीज हैं जो अच्छी तरह यूज कर रही हैं और दे आर ग्रोइंग वेरी on a very faster rate. So even we as a responsible citizen, we need to contribute towards our economy also, towards the society, and that only we can do if we are really productive, thoughtful, and mindful and responsible. Above the greatest thing is being responsible on social media. चाहे आप यूजर हो, चाहे आप क्रिएटर हो, चाहे आप कंज्यूमर हो, whatever you are, you have to be very thoughtful and responsible.
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you, ma'am, for giving this
Most
platform.
welcome, ma'am. We discussed something I think very very important thing, and we'll also apply this in our own lives, in
and
our
we request
family.
you to see our video and then also comment and then let us know what you want us to discuss. Let us come together. We call you also to contribute. We are ready to collab. We are ready
Absolutely.
to work with you. So we request all the youths to come up. Let us know if you want to collab. We can have the next video together and we can do something like more fruitful and more productive. So thank you, Rashmi.
Thank you so much.